beautiful day to you. My name is Peter. I am live here at Lekki Aviation Town, and I want to show you the development update right here at Lekki Aviation Town. And right now, work is massively going on, and most of the building projects here are already at the roofing stage. I want to say a very big congratulations to everyone who have invested right here at Lekki Aviation Town. And let me tell you that we have a lot of investors right here. And guess what? We are still selling plots of land right here. And we'll now show you around this amazing Lekki Aviation Town construction update. Property is still selling, and you can invest right here in this amazing Lekki Aviation Town. You have seen the update development right here. What I've seen, invest now. Give me a call to help you to invest right here at Lekki Aviation Town. Thank you. Bye.